famous Loboc River Cruise here in the Bohol. Make our way in here and yeah, enjoy a little river cruise here. I think we get a little lunch action with this, so we'll see. Let me check this out. Well, this is our last day in Bohol, so we decided to head out on the Loboc River Cruise. So come on along and enjoy the ride. All right, got the band here to greet you before you get on the boat. Nice. Digging it. Nice, nice, guys. Closer. All right. Put you in the right frame of mind to get on the boat. All right, making our way around. We're gonna board the boat to have some lunch and do a little river cruise here. Nice. Okay, and we got a lovely little seat here on the stern. Sweetie, here's your purse. Oh, okay. Salamat. Want to go get some chow? Go get some food? Good. Take your purse for you. Okay, it'll be fine. Okay. Okay. Go for it, baby. Baby? Baby? Where are you going? Oh. Yeah, get a plate. Oops. All right, gonna make our way through the line here. Take some stuff. That's good. Always tell the Filipinos in the crowd, everybody's got to have kind of. Looks very good. Got some satay, got some pancit, a little bit of everything down there. So let's see what we want to get. So we're doing a little buffet here. Looks pretty good. And you see that queue is getting deep here. We're trying to get their grub before this boat gets underway. Very nice. Video action of somebody with the tour coming down. Salamat, babe. And we're getting underway now with ours. Check it out, it's being pushed. The barge is being pushed. And we're off. Tinikling singers here. There you go. Oh no, I'm good. I gotta get on the side. Put some money in the donation box. All right. Working hard here. Tinikling. right. So as the cruise draws to a close, we want to thank you all for hanging in there and hope you enjoyed the trip. And look forward to seeing you all again as we make our way back to Manila. And as always, thanks for watching and bye for now.